Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Mix Minute. My name's Tim and I'm here to teach you something about the studio. In today's video, we're going to talk about all the accessories or the small things in the studio that a lot of times people forget about. It's little stuff that you need in order to do what you want to do. I'm talking about everything from furniture, like the stand this keyboard's on, the keyboard itself. You know, this is an Akai MPK49. It's an oldie but a goodie. Control surfaces, like the nucleus back here. Studio furniture. I actually built the desk that the nucleus is in myself, but buying a studio desk with rack space, adapters and connectors, we talked about those a little bit, but having, you know, barrel connectors and little things that you might need, like little tools around the studio. Power conditioners. Everything starts with electricity, so the cleaner the electricity, the better you are. Other accessories, cables in general, utility cables, power cables, equipment racks. Yeah, discs may have them, but I also, like behind me, the rack the 1176s are in. All of these are separate equipment racks, and you know it's a furniture expense. So as you go through and you accumulate equipment and get different things for different options and different colors, remember there's always the accessory cost that goes with it. A good mic stand, a pop filter for your microphone. All these little things add up. So it's important to think when you do make an investment into studio equipment, you think, okay, how much is the piece that I'm getting? And then what are the accessories I'm going to need to actually use this thing appropriately? So that's basically it. It's not just a microphone, speakers, and an interface. It's, you know, MIDI controllers, pop filters, and all that stuff too. So hopefully that gave you a little bit to think about, and hopefully you learned something about, like, oh, I forgot about that. I need to do X, Y, and Z. That's a really important list, just like your main pieces of equipment. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you're watching on a platform, throw me a like, and yeah, check out the other videos, and until next time, take care.